This is pinion and wheel or gear, both meets at point P on meshing. Point P lies on the pitch circle diameter of both pinion and wheel. dp by 2 is the pitch circle radius of pinion and dg by 2 is the pitch circle radius of wheel or gear. The force in the teeth acts through a common normal mn to the base circle. Ft is the tangential force which is tangent to the base, which is tangent to the pitch circle diameter. Pi is the pressure angle made by the common normal mn to the base circle with the common tangent to the pitch circle. Fr is the radial force acting on the bearing. O dash and O is the center distance between pinion and wheel. Here the gear ratio is 10:1. Distance between centers is 660 mm. O dash O. Power transmitted by the pinion is 500 kilowatt at 1800 rpm. We need to find the load on the bearing of gear due to power transmitted. Fr needs to be found. L, the center distance between the gears, can be written as pitch circle radius of pinion plus pitch circle radius of wheel or gear is equal to 60 mm. The speed ratios, speed of the pinion by speed of the gear is equal to 10/1. Speed of the gear is equal to speed of pinion by 10 is equal to 1800 by 10 is equal to 180 rpm. We know speed is inverse to the diameter. Therefore, diameter of the gear to the diameter of pinion is equal to 10/1. Diameter of gear is equal to 10 times the diameter of pinion. This is 2. Substituting 2 in 1 center distance, we get dp by 2 plus 10 times dp by 2 is equal to 660. Here 0.5 of dp plus 5 times the dp is equal to 660. On solving, we get pitch circle diameter of pinion is equal to 120 mm. Power transmitted by the pinion is power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Here power is 500 kilowatt is equal to 2 pi into speed of the pinion is 1800 rpm into T divided by 60. Therefore, torque transmitted by pinion is equal to 2652 Newton meter. Now, the torque is transmitted by means of the tangential force acting at the common tangent to the pitch circle diameter. Therefore, the tangential load Ft is equal to torque transmitted by pitch circle radius of pinion is equal to 2652 divided by 120 by 2 gives 44.2 kilonewton. Now the load on the bearing Fr can be found since Ft is known. The relation between Fr and Ft is established. Fr is equal to Ft into tan pi. Since tan pi is equal to opposite by adjacent, Fr is equal to Ft tan pi. Here Ft value is 44.2 into tan of pressure angle is 22.5 degree. Therefore, Fr, the radial force on the bearing, is equal to 18.3 kilonewton. Thank you. If you like this knowledge sharing, please subscribe to have further technical discussion.